Searching for the workshop for your next car service? Looking for a workshop that is trustable and transparent? Finding the right workshop that is reliable in providing top quality services to your car? Download the CDGE app, the one-stop automotive solutions provider, and let us take care of your car for you. Simply create your personal profile. It just takes a minute. You can book your appointment through our brand new app and browse through the many services available at our Spark workshop. Once the appointment is made, you can make your way down to one of the 6 workshops located around Singapore, where you will be attended by our friendly Spark SA. Servicing process, every detail is well documented and passed through our workshop to make sure every step of the servicing will be taken care of. This leaves you with a peace of mind and plenty of time to do what you enjoy most. Our SA will send the job to our workshop supervisor, who will be supervising the car servicing process by our experienced technicians. With our tightly integrated system, the processes are clearly defined and executed by the relevant staff in each department. This system also allows you to check on the status of your car at any time, from anywhere, so that you can plan and fully make use of your day away from the workshop. Our technician will also look out for any potential problems that your car has and provide professional recommendations so that you can decide for yourself if you would like to rectify the issues together with the car servicing, providing you the convenience to settle everything at the same time, in the same place. Once our technician is finished with the servicing, we have our workshop supervisor who will do a double take to check all tasks are completed to the highest standard before handing the car back to you. When you are ready to come and pick up your car, a QR code will be provided to you to verify that you are the owner of the vehicle. Our SA will run through with you every single work that has been done to your car, with accompanying photographs to show you where the wear and tear had happened. With our system in place, we are confident to serve all your car servicing needs, to leave you a happy driver. Other than booking your next car service, the CDGE app also allows you to track your past servicing history, as well as the latest promotions. So do check in from time to time to see the best deals we have in store for you. With the CDGE app, car servicing will always be comprehensive and hassle-free to allow you to make time for the best things in life.